Or that tree's gonna fall the other way and pick Gary's tracker up and fling it across the fucking yard!
He's just spinning his tires. Watch, he'll fly over the telephone. Yeah, that's the electric. You have no power. You better try to so tall. You know he's gonna have no tires left.
Oh yeah, burning rubber.
Yes.
He's gonna blow his tires up.
Yeah.
He's got the fuckers heated right up.
No, he's. What is this? A burnout pit or what? He's gonna burn his. Papa's. What's Gary doing?
What's he gonna do with that tree falls the other way and it fucking flings him like a catapult over into the other field?
Oh boy. Yeah.
Alan Ray!
Oh my God, Alan.
Yeah, it's fixing the...
Alan's gonna be ready to run. All of them, guys. Oh, God. No!
No, watch out! Run!
Oh my God!
Right on Gary. No. Oh my God.
Okay, Mark got out of the way. Run. Look at Donna. Look at Gary got out of the way. Oh my God.